It's a party at the Verde Juice Cafe open house.
More than welcome. So hopefully you're helping us today.
That's it.
I'll just have a little bit of each.
Of course, my friend.
Thank you, boss.
No, I told the guy.
Do you know what it is?
Yes, of course. It's a fettuccine with the pesto sauce made with walnuts and oil.
Wow. Yummy.
Yeah, and this pasta has a wild mushroom cream sauce. It's very good. Agnolotti.
Wow.
And this one has some creamy butter chicken.
Hold it for you. You got it?
Yeah, I can put it right on top.
Okay, okay.
No worries. More samples. And what's this one?
This is a creamy butter chicken set.
Oh, creamy butter chicken. Fantastic. Stick it right in there.
Yeah.
Thank you, boss.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Enjoy, my friend.
Here you go, guys.
Yes, sir.
We'll do one of these and we'll do one of these.